The TL084CN is a high-speed, low-powered JFET input operational amplifier designed for a wide range of analog signal processing applications. It belongs to the TL084 series, which features 4 independent op-amps in a single package. Known for its low input bias current and high slew rate, the TL084CN is widely used in audio, instrumentation, and signal amplification circuits. This op-amp operates with a wide supply voltage range, typically from +3 volts to +18 volts, making it highly adaptable to different circuit requirements. The high input impedance provided by the JFET inputs ensures minimal loading on the signal source, allowing accurate signal amplification without significant distortion. Additionally, the device exhibits low noise performance, which is essential for high-fidelity audio applications and precision measurement systems. One of the key advantages of the TL084CN is its high slew rate, which enables it to respond quickly to rapid changes in input signals. This characteristic makes it suitable for applications requiring fast signal processing, such as active filters, waveform generators, and high-speed integrators.